My name is Dr. Sanjay Kamble. On behalf of Vocard Medical Team, Vocard Medical Connect, I welcome you all. So today I have with me Dr. Jimit Vadgama sir, who is from Surat. Sir is a renowned endocrinologist and diabetologist. Sir just delivered an excellent talk on brief motivational strategies for the busy healthcare providers. So sir, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
Sir, can you share few glimpses of your talk that you delivered about what motivational strategies you want to convey to our busy healthcare providers?
Yes, thank you. We all doctors are very busy right now, especially when the diabetes population is increasing in our country. We don't have enough time to focus on educating our patients and motivating our patients to follow the lifestyle changes like diet, like exercise, like being regular on taking medicines or doing regular follow-up. So this is very critical part of diabetes management, but we as a busy healthcare professional, we don't have adequate time to that. So what I discussed in my talk was what are the brief strategies that we can use in our OPD to educate our patients. So this not only starts during our consultation, but even before our consultation. When patient is in our waiting room area in our clinic, the process starts from there only. So what we can use the connected displays which can show images and videos of you about guiding the patient how to do diet, exercise. Okay, we can also put health reading materials, okay, like magazines and books and all those in our waiting area, so patients can read it. We can also take care of our patients, and by taking help of our diabetic educators also, even dietitians also, or other supporting staffs also. During our consultation we have limited time, so when the patient is in our OPD, what we can do, we can use the help of technology, like we can use iPad, okay, or we can show on our computer screen some of the images like insulin delivering technique or what is diabetes. We can show them some pictures, we can show them pictures of complications. So this way in our consultation also we can motivate them. And very importantly, even after the consultation, when the patient goes home, very importantly we should be connected with the patient. So we can use the help of social media like WhatsApp, okay, like simple SMS also, like our Facebook or YouTube page, and we can guide our patient there and they can be in contact with us. So this way we can use this whole approach to be in contact with our patient, and we can motivate them at each and every step. Very interestingly, we have now tools also available which are validated also, like with that I presented here, that is the Blue Index. So Blue Index is a healthcare index which our patients can fill up while being waiting in our clinic reception, and we can evaluate at each visit. So it has multiple parameters starting from the weight also, diet also, exercise also, everything, and we can evaluate at the next visits. So this Blue Index is very important. You can take help from Dr. Dharmendra or Dr. Sanjeev Pathak sir from Ahmedabad, which has published this from American Diabetes Association conference, and definitely is very helpful too. So tools and your behavior is very important, and what you can do is you can motivate in your clinic. So very interestingly point I also talked is the consultation, counseling the patient. So always counsel the patient with some kind of guided but effective use of fear of complications. So fear of complications, you should explain them. So what our teachers have taught, that you will learn in another video also. Dr. Vijay Panikar sir is my teacher, and he has beautifully mentioned, and he actually practices in OPD. So what we do, we tell them in Hindi. I would like to say what he actually does in OPD, कि देखो आपको डायबिटीज़ है, वो जाने वाला नहीं है, वो जीवन भर का साथी है, ऊपर जाओगे तब साथ में आएगा, और उसने आपको सता के ऊपर जल्दी ले जाने का प्रोग्राम बनाया और उसको कंट्रोल में रखना पड़ेगा, वो जाने वाला नहीं है। तो आपको उसको थोड़ा मान देना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा खाने में ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा चलना पड़ेगा, गोली टाइम टू टाइम लेना है, और रेगुलर शुगर चेक कर करके उसको डोज एडजस्ट करके शुगर को कंट्रोल में रखना है. So simple way you can teach your patient in very brief, and you can give this guided use of fear of complication. It is very effective. And very interestingly, lastly I said is always try to smile in your OPD during consultation, and this is very critical. So always smile. It will definitely motivate your patient very effectively. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. That were the very encouraging words, especially the last one. Always smile with you to your patients, and that definitely makes them truly motivated. Thanks a lot for coming here. Thanks for your time.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.